Alright, we got a short little video for you guys today. We're going to be cutting open this big chunk of agatized coral. This is a piece of, looks like honeycomb coral, or favosites. So I'm going to go ahead and cut right through the center of it, and we will see what we get. Hopefully we'll get some nice patterns inside there. It looks like it has a little bit of chert or jasper in there right here, kind of patches of it scattered around. So we'll go ahead and cut this guy, and hopefully it's real nice inside. So we'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, so we went ahead and cut it, so let's see what's inside of it. Ooh, very cool. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. So that's interesting. Very pretty. I'll polish this up, get a few pictures close up for you guys. Hope you guys like this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.